back to my channel. So today I have a very small haul for you. I just have 3 shops. I figured I'd go ahead and give you a small little haul this week. And then as I get more things from UPS, I'll go ahead and haul those. The only other thing that I probably will have coming this week is my Simply Gilded box. And so I will definitely have by itself in a video. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So the first shop that I have to share with you is actually from Blank Slate Stickers, and I haven't actually opened any of these. I literally just got home, set up the camera, and I was like, let's go. So I ordered her Fab Friday, I believe. I think this was from March 16th, somewhere around there, whatever that Friday was. So it's been a while. I kind of forgot already what I got. So here is the freebie sampler that came with my order here. It's a cute little sampler. And that's my cat Lucy. She's leaving now. So let me go ahead and bring you in just a little bit so you can see everything. Now I'm still ordering full kits in the hopes that I'll get back into my EC, but eventually I will get back into it. So this was before I decided I wasn't going to buy any more kits. So mind you, this is when, right about the time I just got my Hobonichi, so I really wasn't sure if I was going to like it or not. So I kind of regret buying it, but then at the same time, I'll still have it and I'll keep it. So anyway, so this is the first page. So on the first page, you have your weekend banner. You've got some habit trackers here, some flags, a marquee, some icons, check flags, and then your washi here. Now she does Fab Fridays where she does $5 kits. And so she'll have, I think, 4 different kits. And I think it's either until, it's 24 hours. So from when she posted it, it's 24 hours. Come here, Lucy. And so she'll do 4 of them. And so she pretty much, I think it's 24 hours. I'm not sure. Or until like a certain number run out, because sometimes she does run out. Sorry about that, guys. My cat, she's all over the place. And she does that a lot and drives me nuts. No, no, no. Go over there. This is the Las Vegas kit. I absolutely love the colors of this. And that's probably the reason why I really got it, was because I love the colors, but I also love the full boxes. I just think they're so neat and pretty. And my cat's coming in again. Lucy, you have to go over there, Mama. Go. Come on. No, you cannot sit here. Okay. Let's try this again. I'm sorry. She is all over the place. I'm just going to start over. Okay, so this is what I got from Blank Slate Stickers. So here we have the first full page. And if it sounds weird from the last moment to this moment, it's because my cat has been all over the place and she's not letting me do anything, so I'm just starting over. Do you see her little paw? Do you see her paw? Do you see it? She's getting on the naughty list. Anyways, oh my gosh. So here we have the very first page. So the first page here, we've got some habit trackers, some flags, some icons, page flags, some washi here, and your weekend banner. I think this is the Las Vegas kit, I think is what she called it. So I really love the colors of this, but I also just love the full boxes. I think they're so beautiful. This one especially, I love that one. I love this jackpot. Oh, I love them all. In all honesty, I love them all. I don't know when I'm ever going to go to Vegas or if I'm ever going to go to Vegas, but if I do, I've got a kit. Or I may just use this. I don't know. We may have to throw a party that has a Vegas thing to it. I don't know. I absolutely love it and adore it. Here we got the heart check boxes. I don't use these, so more than likely I'll just be passing those along. And then we have here the bottom washi, your date cover up, and your weekly tracker. This page has your half boxes, your quarter boxes, some 3 check boxes. And then this one has your headers and little things. And Lucy is messing with the tripod. So that was the Vegas kit. And I don't know if I'm going to cut that off or not, but Blank Slate Stickers does Fab Fridays where she does $5 kits. And so that's the reason why I order these as full kits, because normally I wouldn't. I normally would just order them as a la carte items, which I typically try and do. But because they're $5 for a 6-page kit, I'm like, might as well just buy the whole thing, right? Because you can't really buy it in pieces, at least not in her shop. So here we have the second kit. I don't remember the name of this kit, but I thought it was so stinking cute. So here is the first page. Has the same layout as the other one. I'm holding the tripod because my cat literally is here and she will not let it go, and she's right now even holding my hand. So I don't want her to mess up the tripod again. So you're just gonna have to see little kitty paws. I mean, look at those toe beans. They're just the sweetest little toe beans. You just a little stinker. You are a little stinker. So here is the here are the full boxes. Look at that little kitty in a little cup. My cat is not that sweet. She is a demon cat. I love her though. So here are the full boxes. Here are the heart check boxes, a washi page, bottom washi, the half boxes, and the little page, or the little things page. So that was everything that I got from Blank Slate Stickers. And if I didn't mention before, that is the that is the freebie sampler that I got with my order. Lucy, you're gonna have to let me go, mamas. Okay, the second order that I have here is from Wild Summer Designs, and I said this before, but the reason why I'm saying it again is because I'll probably cut it off since Lucy's all over the place. But I literally just got through the door. I just set up my tripod and wanted to share this haul with you. So this is from Wild Summer Design. She released a whole bunch of Hobonichi stuff and functional stuff, and so I ordered it the day she released it. And so here is her business card if you've never really seen it before. On the back it's got her Insta, I believe, and her Facebook. Join her Facebook group because she's got a coupon specifically for Facebook that is a 50% off code. So, and you can use it anytime, even when she's got sales. So I fully suggest you joining the Facebook group. So here is the freebie sampler that came with my order. Ooh, that's really in there. So there is the freebie sampler that came in it, which definitely I could use for this kit. I mean, these sheets, especially since the fact that they're so alike. And so everything's kind of mixed up in here because I ordered one of everything, I'm pretty sure, of her Hobonichi stuff. So this first three are the check flags. I'm not sure if they're boxes or if they're flags. Oh no, they're just cut out hearts. So I don't know if you can see. Let me pull one off. So they're just cut out hearts there. So those are the three ones. So you got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 of them. So I got them in the hearts, in the moons, and because of the galaxy theme, and in the stars, which I thought were really pretty. And then I got the hearts. Oh, I got 2 sets of the hearts. Oh yeah, I didn't get the moon or the moon or the stars in the marble, so I just got in the heart, so that'll be great for the Hobonichi. And then this is the weekend banner with the galaxy themed bows, which I love this. I think this is so cute. I love the size of it. I think that's just the perfect size. And then these are dividers. So these go in between the days, or in between, like on your other side of the page. So they're just little dividers, and then you get, let's see, you get quite a few. So they're all, it's a lot of them. I don't know how many that is though. A lot. Let's just say it's a lot in there because they're very tiny. I don't know if you can see how teeny tiny they are. So you get quite a few of those. So I did get 2 of those. And then I also got it in marble as well. I didn't get too many in the marble, I'm pretty sure, because they're just mainly white. So, and I just wanted a set of these, but you can kind of see the lines better on how small they are. And then, let's see, and then I got the icons, the mini icons, in both the galaxy theme and in the marble. So you have tons of TVs, you've got houses, alarm clocks, grocery carts, coffee, trash can, washing machine, spray bottle, person running, box, heart, present, medicine, and then you've got appointment label, a money bag, credit card, and champagne glasses. And you get 2 sets of each of those. So I've got those in both. And then I also ordered a set each of the marble and the galaxy of the page or of the date covers. Like I said before, in the Hobonichi, I'm not too big on using kits, but I kind of like this, especially mixing it with washi. So that I think that'll be nice, especially with the marble, because it'll go with everything. And then I also ordered a set of Galaxy habit trackers just because I like them. I thought they were pretty. And then these are washi strips for the top and the bottom of the page in the Hobonichi. And then you've got your thin here. So you got your thin strips here. Hello. Here we go. So you have your thin strips there. And then you've got larger strip here. And the even larger one down here. So you've got all 3 sizes there. So you can stack them up. And then I got those 2 in the Galaxy and 1 in the marble. So that was everything that I got from Wild Summer Designs. I also have another bunch of stuff coming in from her from this past weekend that she had a sale. And it was like buy $75 worth and you get 60% off or something like that. So I did spend a lot. So anyways, this next shop that I have for you is my favorite. And it is Korseh's Kreations. And I don't remember what I bought because I have like 4 different orders open with her right now, I think. Maybe more. I don't know. So, since they're little, I'm just going to leave it just the way it is. Let me actually get out my receipt. So, if you didn't know, when you order from Korseh's Kreations and you drop my name in the notes to seller or you drop in Cat Lady, you will get my freebie sampler along with my my jumbo sampler. Or, no, sorry, my jumbo sampler and my die cut. And so this die cut is actually one big sticker. And so it's a skull, of course. It's skulls and cats is what you're going to get from me. So anyway, so here is my sampler along with my die cut. And then, let's see. This is the Unicorn Day freebie. I don't remember if I ordered on Unicorn Day or if it was different, but here we go. So you can see all of it. Oh, good. Lucy left. All right. So here, if you ordered on Unicorn Day, you got this unicorn sampler, which I think I did. I don't remember, but she kind of has a tendency to throw things in my stuff anyway. So these are just the stinky cutest little unicorns ever. I love that. So here is the Purple Day sampler. My cats are fighting in the background. Sorry if you can hear that. So this is the Purple Day because there was a Purple Day as well. So you have tons of little stuff here. I love that. Don't be a prick. Sorry. Okay, and then she also sent in the normal. Hello. My cats are fighting. So there may be things throwing in a minute. All 3 cats are in the kitchen. Anyways, so this is the normal sample that she'll send out. Ooh, I love this. She needs to make a full sheet of reminders. Those are cute. I love that. So we got Thrifty Thursday here, an empty box. Leave Etsy feedback. That's a good one to have. Happy Mail, UPS sale, which was just happened, and order more stickers. I love this. So there's that one. And then we are getting into everything that I ordered. And I ordered pretty much all minis, and these are all for my Hobonichi. Surprise, surprise. So here, the first one we have Kitty in the Litter. Love this is for cleaning out the kitty litter. So these are all in the mini size, so they fit perfectly in the Hobonichi. Here we have the movie night ones, which I love these movie nights down here. The small little marquees, all these. These are just so stinking cute. I just love this little sampler. So cute, I love it. I just love they're so teeny tiny. And then here we have Happy Meal, because I have all big Happy Meal ones, but I don't have any teeny tiny ones. So here are little Happy Meal. And then here are the houses. So I use these for like paying my rent, or if I'm going to someone else's house or whatever. And then game night, because my son does have game night every week, so I'm constantly using these. I love these. And then the Rest in Peace tombstone ones. These are, what is happening? Sorry, there was a box, you know, never mind. Have you ever, like, in your camera, it has the box that tries to focus on a person and it sees a face and it focuses on the face. Well, right here, there's no face, but the box was here trying to focus on my hand. Anyway, sorry, paranormal stuff, I guess. So we have tombstones, paranormal. Put 2 and 2 together. That's freaky. Anyway, so we have tombstones here. These are for like days that I am just literally dead. Just bad days, dead days, whatever. So we have bill dues here, which I don't think I have any of these, so I ordered these just because I need them. And then I've got TVs, because you know you can never have enough TV. I just love the fact that they're so tiny and mini. And then we have mini coffees. And then I think I ordered 2. Yeah, I ordered 2 of the trash cans, because we have trash that's here twice a week. And the last one is Payday, which I just love. These are so cute. Look at that. Love it. And she's got beautiful, beautiful paper. So anyways, that was everything that I got from Korseh Kreations. I hope that you like this little mini haul. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!